Hello students, in last video lecture we studied lesson number 1.4 Big Data Big Insights. In that we studied uses of big data within banking, finance and trading. We already seen healthcare industry. We already studied understanding weather pattern and location tracking. In this video lecture today we are going to learn remaining part of the lessons and continue the next part of the lesson, uses of big data. Here we have to study sports, advertising, entertainment and media, education industry, etc. So let's see. Fifth one is that sports. You know, sport is very important content in our life. Without sports we will not complete our life. So what about the sports? Let's see the passage, then I'll explain. Sports. When watching a cricket match, we are shown so many permutations and combinations of statistical analysis. A gigantic data has been created over a period of time, from the recording of matches, training session and workouts. The data enables a sports person to study his performance as well as of the other players worldwide. It has tremendously helped in improving individuals as well as team performance. The sensor embedded in the sports equipments help us to understand our game from close quarters. The sensor help us to understand the field condition, the weather, individual performance, etc. Video analytics help us to see each and every performance minutely. You know, sport is very important content, and according to the big data, online basis, now IPL matches is going on. You know, cricket, number of people they watch, they interested to watch cricket matches. So after cricket matches, some particular information data, for example, who won the which team won the World Cup, who was the highest scorer, who won the man of the match award, who won the man of the series award, what about the FIFA World Cup, which player is the best player in FIFA World Cup, what about the hockey, which hockey match or which hockey series is going on, which are the topmost countries in volleyball. So all about the informations we will get very easily with the help of online big data. And after that it will help us to study in each and every sector. As a student you have to study to get more informations about the people's views, or and how does the people they selected in the sports, what special efforts they taken. So all about their life, all about their particular views we studied with the help of online reports of the sports persons. So here according to the sports, the data mentioned here. One more example I would like to give you, like cricket match, IPL match, which is the topmost team in all teams, which is the lowest condition team. So all about that informations we will get very easily with the help of big data. Here we search out the different types of the sports activities, indoor games activities, outdoor game activities, national levels player, international level players, gents team, ladies team. So whatever informations required for the sports related, with the help of the sports with the help of the big data we will get very easily. Next one is that advertising. According to the advertising, advertisers are one of the biggest player in big data. Be it Facebook, Google, Twitter or any other online giant. All keep a track of the users' behavior and transactions. These internet giants provide a great deal of data about people to the advertisers so that they can run targeted campaigns. Take Facebook example. For example, here you can target people based on buying intent, website visits, internet, job roles, demographics. Demographic means what? Statistical data relating to the given population and particular groups within it. All this data is collected by Facebook algorithms using big data analytics techniques. The same goes for Google. When you target people based on clicks, you will get different result, and when you create a campaign for leads, then you will get different results. All this is made possible using big data. So advertising is most important part, or here the writer mentioned biggest player in big data. So what is biggest player? Here biggest player, it means the biggest role of advertising in big data. Number of people. Now let's see the example of online basis on Facebook, Google, Twitter or any other. Where you visit, ads come there. If you watching videos, in between immediate some particular ads occurred, and we disturb it, but it does not mean that every time we disturb it. Sometime what happen, we just study that ad. What is the main purpose of that ad? Is it beneficial? Is it relevant or irrelevant? We just find out, and sometime we ignore it, sometime we accept it. If you are watching cricket match, after completing over, immediate the ads will be there. After finish 1 over, immediate ads. In strategic timeout, ads will be there. Whenever wickets fall down, ads comes there. So every time ads come there. But it does not mean that ad disturb to us. Sometimes it is beneficial to us. Ad is beneficial to us or not, it is totally depending the quality of the ad. So now here, in ancient age there were no any chance to promote their ads in marketing sectors, but in middle age, with the help of the newspaper, radio, television, we can just give ad or we can watch the ads. But nowadays online basis, each and every content of big data which accumulated by the advertisings. So in that advertising sectors, we see different types of the ads, and we have different types of the choices of sources of presenting our ad or giving the ad, such as social media, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram, where whatever we want, where we want, we just add our ads and we just take it proper benefit or advantages of the views. Next one is that entertainment and media. In the field of entertainment and media, big data focuses on targeting people with the right content at the right time. Based on your past views and your behavior online, you will be shown different recommendations. This technique is popularly used by Netflix and YouTube to increase engagement and drive more revenues. Now even television broadcasters are looking to segment their viewers database and show different advertisements and show accordingly. This will allow better revenue from ads and will provide a more engaging user experience. Seventh most important uses of big data is that entertainment and media. In this field, here the main purpose of the big data is that to targeting the people with the right content at right times. For example, nowadays work from home basis, this concept mostly following due to COVID pandemic situation, people unable to goes to office or so that's why they decided to start their work online basis. So here entertainment and media played an important role for different types of the views. Here the best example given here, Netflix and YouTube is most popular nowadays because each and everything, so you are watching also our videos on YouTube channels. If you know anything, you just go visit to YouTube, you just type the title whatever you want and immediately you can find the result with particular videos. How to ride a bike, just visit, go to YouTube channel, type in the title whatever you want, whatever you need it, and you just fulfill it. Okay, you just fulfill it and you just complete it. And these are the sources only which consist to the media basis only. So here entertainment and media played an important roles. Television also, it is broadcastings viewers views, how many peoples they are watching Hindi movies, Hindi serials, cricket match, football match. So on that basis they analyze their work. So in that work also entertainment and media with the help of big data going to their successful work with the help of big datas. And last important fact is that education industry, big data has in education industry, it has transformed it in leaps and bounds. Now we have information about the students, their study patterns, and we can now prepare customized and dynamic learning programs according to the need of an individual student. Every student's comprehension level is different. The course material can now be designed catering to different requirements of the students. Big data makes it convenient to understand their choices, their difficulties, informations regarding various courses and their specialties. We also have an access to the result. From the result we can gauge the progress of the students, understand his strength and weaknesses. This will also help in guiding the students regarding the best career for him based on his mental makeup and abilities. And in depth study of all this would definitely give new insights into the education industry and help in improving the operational effectiveness and working of educational institutes. This would in general enhance progress of all students. Big data has provided solution to one of the biggest pitfall in the education industry, that is one size fits all. We have innumerable uses of big data It is helpful in scientific researches, understanding geographical phenomena, helping in the smooth working of the government machineries, etc. It is a genie in our hands. It lies in our hands to make the optimum use of it for the benefits of mankind. Now see, in this last passage, according to the big data has inundated in education industry. It means that it is transmit from the leaps from the bounds, means each and every person, from students to teachers, parents, educational officers, educational ministry, means up to ground level to top level. Big data has used here according to the information of students data, data collections, their current status, each and every informations which accumulated by the big data, and their admission process. Now mostly online education is going on. Most of the sites, online teacher, online teaching, online tutor, online lecture is going on. So in education industry, nowadays big data has played an important role to providing an online education, online scheme, online information transformations with the help of the big data, from admission process to learning process. Because actually what happened in practical views, every student's understanding level is different. It is not equal. Some students are clever, some are not, some are dull. So with the help of the online basis, with the help of the big data, they can do study more, they can watch video again and again, and they will understand. They should comprehensive views, they focus on their study. They, as per the traditional method, they already bored in their study. So that's why this is the new fundamental educational policies to accumulated by the student oriented education, practical oriented educations, study material, online study material, as a playing game, they enjoying their lectures. So this is very helpful in the educational industry, and this is also helpful to the scientific, each and every views, those are in education field. So here big data plays an important role. In this way the lesson is completed. So in this lessons we studied big data, big insights, what is the big data and uses of big data. In next lecture I'll give you assignment. Thank you.